Hey, what's up folks, my name is Ashok Joshi. Welcome to AJ Media YouTube channel. So I installed Ubuntu 20.4.3 LTS version inside my Oracle VirtualBox, and you can see here that the screen, it's really appearing very small. So in this video what we will do is we will try to install something which is called as Guest Edition and make this Ubuntu virtual machine look good and it appears in full screen mode. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. So the first thing what we will do here is we will open up the terminal. So let me just open terminal here. Okay, so you can see here, right, it's very small and it's really very hard to work. So what I will do here is I will write some commands, and by the way these commands are given in the description box below. So the very first command is sudo apt-get install update. We'll update this system. Okay, so I think it's already updated. So now what I will do here is sudo apt-get install build essential gcc make perl tkms. We'll install some packages and just press Y here. Where did I press Y? Yeah, here. Just press Y and click enter. Okay, so wait until this gets installed and let's wait until this gets installed, and I will be back once this is done. Now that we have installed the necessary packages, GCC Perl and some build essentials, what I will do here is I will try to restart it. So in order to restart, what I will do here is I will go here and just click power off and restart. This will restart my virtual machine. Just give your credentials, the password, and log in. Now that you have logged in, what you need to do is you will have to install something which is called as Guest Additions. So how to install Guest Addition? So go to devices, click on this option which is insert Guest Addition CD image, click on it. Once you click that, you will get a pop-up like this. It will say VBox GAs 6.1.30 contains software intended to be automatically started. Would you like to run it? Just click on run. That's it. It will ask for the password. Give the password. So just wait until this gets installed. Now that we have installed the Guest Edition successfully, it will show you this thing which is saying press return to close this window. Just click enter. That's it. Now again what you have to do here is just restart once again. Give your password and log in. Okay, so now what you have to do here is go to view, and you see here auto resize guest display. Now this is enabled. Click on this thing. Okay, so one time I clicked, it did not work. Next time if you click, now you can see here we are now in full screen mode, and this is way better than the experience that we were getting in that small screen mode, right? And if I want to open up files, you can click here and you can see here, right, it's now appearing in full screen. And if you want to not to see all these stuffs, just click on the control button that is at the right side of your keyboard and click F. That's it. And now you can see here, right, it's very convenient to work. And if you want to open terminal, just press Ctrl Alt and T. It will open up terminal. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful and you were able to configure. And by the way, if you want to return back, just click on Control, which is at the right side of your keyboard, and press F. It will once again come back to the same mode. I hope this video was helpful and you were able to troubleshoot the issue that we were facing. So please hit that like button. This will give me a motivation to create more videos. and share this video if you think this video will be helpful to others as well, and subscribe to my channel in case you are new, and click on that bell icon so that you will get updates whenever I will post a new video in future. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.